Birds love the eastern red cedars for protection, and also they love their berries. This is the eastern red cedar in the winter. It's a fairly hardy tree that is considered a survivor or a pioneer tree. It'll start up in an area where the soils were depleted and rough areas and rocky areas, and it can grow even along a shoreline. It can take some salt spray. At Highland Hill Farm, we grow the eastern red cedars, and we sell them bare root. We sell them in small pots. We sell them balled and burlapped. We dig them out of our fields as well. So if you need an eastern red cedar, call us at 215-651-8329. We have plenty of them. We're located in Fountainville, PA. The best route to take to get to Highland Hill Farm from Warrington is to drive north on Route 611. Take the 611 bypass around Doylestown, getting off at the exit for Dublin, Route 313. Turn left onto 313, heading towards Quakertown. We're about a mile and a half on the right across the street from Peace Valley Park.